Very welcome guys in our new video, and in previous video we have seen how to create new habits and break the old one. So if you have not yet seen, I recommend you to see, link would be in description. And in this video we are going to learn about a rule. This rule will make your new habit very obvious and easy to follow. So watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe our channel, click that like button too. Let's begin. So whenever we start a new habit, it is very difficult to follow because our old habit attracts us. So to begin the new habit, you have to follow a rule called 2-minute rule. This rule says that if you have any new habit, just follow every day 2 minutes. That's it, not much. And gradually you increase the time. But in starting, when you follow 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, that will not burden you and it will become very easy to follow. And every day you will keep on repeating it because it is easy to follow. This rule is very useful. Let's say a person has started a new habit of reading books. So to follow that habit, he must read book only 2 minutes every day. Then gradually he will increase the time. So to follow the new habit, 2 minutes is very easy. And gradually if we increase the time, it will not also burden us. So the person who is starting reading books, in beginning he would start reading 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 and so on. So the time would not burden him and he would also enjoy the habit. So in conclusion, I would say that start following the new habit just 2 minutes a day. Then gradually increase the time. That would not burden you and also become very easy to follow. So hope you have learned well in this video. If you did, please like the video and we'll meet next time. Till then, stay tuned. Jai Hind.